For step 3, we want to calculate the within sum of squares. The within sum of squares is calculated based on these 3 different group means. What we do is we take each observation, subtract out the group mean for that particular observation, square it so it's positive, and add up all these values. The important point is that the group mean will depend on which group that particular person or individual is nested in, or in the case of mice, what particular treatment group that mouse is nested in. The point is that since we have 3 groups, we're going to compare each person with their respective group mean. So the mean of group 1 is 2.5, so we're going to see how far off all the people group 1 are from 2.5. The mean of the second group is 6.5, so we're going to compare how far off those people are from the mean of 6.5, and the mean of that third group is 10.5, so we're going to see how far off those people are from 10.5. The idea is that we're seeing how much variability is there just within groups, ignoring the differences across groups. When we calculate this within sum of squares, we get this value of 15. It's an overall measure for the sum of squares, the variability within groups. You can visualize this as well. So here's the same toy data set, but we're comparing each observation, each of those data points, not to an overall mean, but to a mean for each group. The mean for each group is represented by a dotted line. So you have to imagine that each of those data points, we're comparing those data points to each particular group mean. Sometimes those group means are called conditional means. When you add up all that variability, we get the within sum of squares.